Hello everyone, I'm Rachel and I am a librarian at Brampton Library. For today's Take and Make kit, we are going to make a fidget toy out of paper using some origami folds. Here is what you will need for the origami fidget toy project. 12 pieces of origami paper in 2 different colors and a glue stick. Here is how to make your origami fidget toy. Start with 1 piece of origami paper. Fold up 1 corner of the paper so that your sheet becomes a triangle. Unfold the paper and fold across to make a triangle the other way. With each fold, press down hard along the crease to make sure it stays. You now have 2 creases running through the center of your paper. Fold up the bottom corner of your paper to meet the center of the square, and do the same with the top corner. Fold the paper up from the bottom again so that the crease runs along the center of the paper. Once again, do the same from the top as well. Now turn your paper so that the pointy ends are pointing towards you and away from you. Each pointed end creates a diamond shape where only 1 layer of paper is visible. Fold up from the bottom so that the point of one end meets the bottom of the diamond at the other end. Then fold that end back down at a 45-degree angle. Where the top of the fold meets the edge, draw an imaginary line across and fold the bottom up at that line. Turn the shape over and open up the top fold. Now you will make another 45-degree fold so that you end up with a square shape with 2 points at opposite ends. Repeat this whole process with a contrasting color of origami paper. So now you have 2 matching pieces. Line them up together. Then tuck a flap from one piece under the other piece's flap. And do the same with the other side. Now fold back the visible triangle flaps. And glue those triangles into place. Repeat this whole process again until you have 6 glued together pieces. Then you're going to glue each of these pieces together into one big stack. Once the glue is dry, you're done. Your fidget toy is ready to go.